Let's start 2019 with some great events in the beautiful city of Dania Beach. Join us January 21st for the Martin Luther King Parade at C.W. Thomas Park at 9 a.m. Join the Dania Beach community along with city leaders, civic organizations, and churches as we celebrate the birthday and pay homage to the great civil rights leader, Martin Luther King Jr. The community will walk with pride from C.W. Thomas Park to Federal Highway and back. The Martin Luther King Renaissance Corporation is hosting the following weekend events. On January 19th, Unity Black Tie Gala will start at 6 p.m. at the IT Parker Community Center. On January 21st, there will be a breakfast at 7 a.m. at C.W. Thomas Park. The parade starts at 9 a.m., followed by a church service at 10:30 a.m. at St. Ruth Missionary Baptist Church, followed by Peace in the Park celebration at noon at C.W. Thomas Park.
Martin Luther King was a legend for us because he wanted to have peace and everyone to come together and to get along, all races.
Martin Luther King represents freedom, freedom of speech, and the ability that we can do anything without violence. Violence is not necessary to get your point across. It takes community and dedication.
Well, we're here to celebrate peace, especially in these times where diversity and equity and inclusion is so needed between all people.
Martin Luther King made it for all of us to unite and be together, white, black, Spanish, whatever.
He sacrificed his life for this day, and I'm so proud to see that it's still positive and it's getting more and more positive because we all one. It ain't no color, we all one.
Today's event was good, how the community came together, and it showed a lot of unity. Everybody came together as one to celebrate Martin Luther King Day.
The Martin Luther King Parade was a phenomenal event today. It was a blast. Every year I enjoy a MLK Parade.
We wish for you to join us at the Martin Luther King Parade, January 21st at C.W. Thomas Park at 9 a.m. On January 26th, the 13th annual Dania Beach Vintage Motorcycle Show will bring thousands of visitors to Frost Park to view over 380 vintage motorcycles from all over the world.
We've been here for the last 6 years for our antique bike show. We love it. We have a great time.
This is the first time I've ever been to this event here, and I'm just blown away. The number of people that are here, well attended, and some beautiful motorcycles.
I've been in this event since day one when we started out over in the Antique District on the west side of Federal Highway. We started out with 16 bikes, and we've been getting bigger and bigger every year. This year it was 288 bikes.
Every year you come down here, you see something that you never see before. And I mean, I've been around a while.
It's a candy store for me. I'm a 12 years old again here, you know. Look at this. Yeah. If you like bikes, it's just
a great event. We come here every year and just check out the bikes, you know, see people that we know in the bike business.
All the bikers and riders and motorcyclists, enthusiasts come from all over the Tri-County area, South Florida, and we meet. There's people here I see like once every year, just here at this event. There's food, there's vendors to buy things from, arts and crafts, motorcycles, and motorcycles.
It's a great event, and if you haven't been there yet, please make sure you join us.
Dania Beach is the perfect place to see it, live it, love it.